Again, everyone, it's Patrick at Victory Ford, 563-875-2409 or victoryfordonline.com. October is pork month, and so it's Porktoberfest here at Victory Ford, and we take our marketing pretty serious and our promotions. So we brought in a marketing focus group today to kind of bounce some ideas off of, and we couldn't think of anybody better than the three pigs. Got pig number one, give them up, pig number two, and pig number three. You guys ready? We got some ideas to bounce off you. You guys ready? All right, here we go. So here's one. Victory Ford lets you bring home the bacon.
Who's bacon?
No?
What's
Not,
bacon?
not a good one? You don't know what bacon? Well, maybe that's not a good one. Our customers are as happy as pigs in muck.
That is pretty happy.
I don't know what is muck.
What's muck? It's kind of stuff you roll in. Anyway, maybe that's not a good one either. Okay, this one you'll love. At Victory, you'll go whole hog. Whole hog. You guys are...
No.
Okay. Well, there's another one. Okay, this one's ready. This one's... You'll really ham it up at Victory Ford.
This is what?
We're getting cheesy.
This is weird.
This
It's
is
getting
weird? Why is it?
You said we were coming for a sweepstakes.
That's what I thought.
Well, you know.
Sucker.
Okay, that one was before even.
What is
You missed. Okay, you'll live high on the hog with a deal from Victory Ford.
what?
No?
These are
No?
terrible.
Some deals at other stores are like putting lipstick on a pig. Oh, okay, no?
That's so sweet.
Oh, I can't even say that one on camera. Yeah, we'll throw that one out right away. Okay, don't be a guinea pig for some other dealer's new sales tactics. Come to Victory Ford. Do you know what a guinea pig is?
A rodent.
You're not rodents?
What's
No,
this, the
pigs.
euchre game?
The euchre game's...
I thought there was free food.
Yeah, for sure. Free hamburgers.
Speaking of free food, if you come to Victory Ford for a test drive the whole month of October, you get free pork patties. What do you think of that? That's it, folks. That's all.